Do you ever wake up in the morning with every intention of having a great day, but somehow, before you even finish your first cup of coffee, things start to go downhill? Maybe it's one small thing, a missed alarm, rushing out the door without breakfast, or checking your phone the second you open your eyes. And before you know it, your day feels like it's completely off track. The truth is, the way you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. It's like a domino effect. One small habit can lead to a chain reaction of stress, fatigue, and frustration. If you've been wondering why your days seem to derail before they even begin, it might be time to take a closer look at your morning routine. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into 10 common morning habits that you absolutely need to avoid if you want to make every day your best day. Whether it's hitting the snooze button or scrolling through social media as soon as you wake up, these habits might be doing more harm than you think. So, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what not to do in the morning and how to set yourself up for success from the moment your alarm goes off. Number 1. Hitting the snooze button. We've all been there, the alarm goes off, and in a groggy haze you instinctively hit the snooze button just to grab a few more minutes of sleep. It feels like a small win, but here's the catch. Those extra minutes of shut-eye aren't doing you any favors. In fact, they're making things worse. When you hit the snooze button, you interrupt your natural sleep cycle, tricking your body into thinking it's about to enter a new sleep phase. But because you're not getting a full cycle of sleep, you wake up feeling even groggier and disoriented. This grogginess, known as sleep inertia, can stick around for hours, leaving you sluggish and unfocused long after you've gotten out of bed. Instead of snoozing, try setting your alarm for the time you actually plan to wake up. It might take some adjustment at first, but your body will thank you. Over time, you'll find it easier to wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to start the day. Number 2. Checking your phone immediately. Let's be honest, what's the first thing you do when you wake up? For most of us, it's grabbing our phones and scrolling through a sea of notifications, emails, and social media updates. While it seems harmless, this habit can spike your stress levels before you've even set foot out of bed. The constant barrage of information, whether it's emails from work, social media updates, or the latest headlines, can leave you feeling overwhelmed and anxious before your day has even begun. You're essentially putting your brain into overdrive at a time when it's still waking up. This mental overload sets a negative tone for the rest of your day, making it harder to stay focused and productive. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, try giving yourself some screen-free time. Focus on waking up naturally. Stretch, drink some water, or spend a few quiet moments planning your day. Not only will this help reduce morning stress, but it will also improve your focus and productivity for the rest of the day. Number 3. Skipping morning sunlight. One of the most underrated habits for jump-starting your day is getting some natural sunlight in the morning. Sunlight plays a vital role in regulating your circadian rhythm, the body's internal clock that helps control your sleep-wake cycle. When you expose yourself to sunlight first thing in the morning, it triggers a release of serotonin, a hormone that boosts your mood and helps you feel calm and focused. But here's the problem. If you spend your morning in dim or artificial lighting, especially during darker seasons or when you're indoors, you miss out on this natural, mood-enhancing boost. Without sunlight, your body doesn't get the signal that it's time to wake up and be alert. As a result, you can feel groggy, sluggish, or even irritable for hours after waking up. Skipping morning sunlight also disrupts your melatonin production, the hormone that regulates sleep. Without proper exposure to sunlight during the day, your body struggles to adjust your melatonin levels properly, which can make it harder to fall asleep at night and wake up refreshed in the morning. The solution? Make it a habit to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes outside in the morning. If the weather isn't cooperating, try sitting near a bright window where natural light can hit your face. This simple adjustment to your routine can make a massive difference in your energy levels and mood, keeping you alert and in a better mental space throughout the day. Number 4. Not hydrating. After a night of sleep, your body has gone several hours without water, leaving you naturally dehydrated. Yet many people skip that crucial glass of water in the morning, rushing straight to the coffee machine or starting their day on an empty stomach. This is one of the quickest ways to feel drained before your day even starts. When you wake up dehydrated, it's not just about feeling thirsty. Dehydration affects your brain, your mood, and your ability to concentrate. Studies have shown that even mild dehydration can impair your cognitive function and make it more difficult to stay focused and energized throughout the day. Plus, if you start your day dehydrated, you'll feel physically fatigued faster and your body will have to work harder to perform simple tasks. Drinking water first thing in the morning doesn't just rehydrate your body, it helps kickstart your metabolism, aids digestion, and flushes out toxins that have built up overnight. It's a quick and easy habit to adopt. Keep a glass of water by your bedside so you can drink it as soon as you wake up. This simple act will help you feel more awake, improve your brain function, and set the tone for a more productive day. You can still enjoy your morning coffee, but make sure to hydrate first. Number 5. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach. For many of us, coffee is the lifeblood of the morning, a ritual that feels essential to waking up and facing the day. But did you know that drinking coffee on an empty stomach can actually be counterproductive? While it may give you a temporary boost, this habit can lead to long-term issues, starting with your digestive system. When you drink coffee on an empty stomach, it stimulates the production of gastric acid, which can cause stomach irritation and even lead to conditions like acid reflux or ulcers over time. This acidity also disrupts your gut's natural balance, potentially causing discomfort, indigestion, and bloating. But that's not all. Consuming coffee on an empty stomach can also affect your energy levels and mood. Instead of waking you up smoothly, it can lead to jitters, anxiety, and even a crash later in the day. This is because coffee increases cortisol, the stress hormone, which can leave you feeling wired and anxious. The solution is simple. Have a light, healthy meal before you enjoy your morning coffee. Eating something first will help buffer the acidity, protect your stomach lining, and give you a more sustained energy boost. A small snack like a piece of fruit or toast can go a long way in keeping both your stomach and mind happy. Number 6. Eating a sugary breakfast. It's easy to grab a quick sugary breakfast when you're in a rush. Pastries, sugary cereals, or even a sweetened smoothie can seem like convenient options. However, starting your day with a sugar-loaded meal can set you up for failure, thanks to the inevitable sugar crash that follows. When you consume a breakfast high in refined sugars, your blood sugar levels spike rapidly, giving you a temporary surge of energy. But just as quickly, those levels drop, leaving you feeling tired, irritable, and unfocused. This roller coaster effect can make it harder to stay productive throughout the morning. Instead, opt for a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Foods like eggs, oatmeal, or yogurt with nuts can provide a steady release of energy, helping you stay fuller for longer and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This will prevent the dreaded mid-morning slump and keep you feeling energized and focused until your next meal. Number 7. Skipping morning exercise. We all know how easy it is to skip morning exercise, especially when you're running late or feeling a bit lazy. However, starting your day without some form of physical activity can leave you feeling sluggish and unmotivated for the rest of the day. Even if you're not a morning workout person, making time for just a few minutes of movement in the morning can have a huge impact on your energy and mood. Morning exercise doesn't have to be intense. A quick stretch, a short yoga session, or even a brief walk around your neighborhood can get your blood flowing and help wake up your body. When you exercise in the morning, you release endorphins, chemicals in your brain that boost your mood and reduce stress. Not only does morning exercise help with mental clarity, but it also sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Studies have shown that people who exercise in the morning are more likely to maintain healthy habits throughout the day, including better food choices and improved focus. So, even if it's just 5 or 10 minutes of movement, make it a point to get active in the morning. Number 8. Watching TV. It might seem harmless to turn on the TV while you're getting ready for the day, catching up on the news, watching a favorite show, or even checking the weather. But this habit can actually distract you from more productive morning routines and set a negative tone for your day. Watching TV first thing in the morning can eat up time and reduce your focus on more important tasks, like preparing breakfast or planning your day. Plus, depending on what you're watching, it can negatively affect your mood. News programs often focus on negative or stressful events, and dramatic TV shows can leave you feeling tense or emotionally drained before you've even stepped out the door. This isn't exactly the kind of mindset you want to carry into the rest of your day. Instead, try using the time you would spend in front of the TV to do something more productive, like journaling, meditating, or even spending a few moments reflecting on your goals for the day. This will help you start your day with a clearer, more focused mind, and you'll be more prepared to tackle whatever comes your way. Number 9. Steaming up the shower. There's nothing quite as comforting as a long, hot shower, especially on chilly mornings. But while a hot, steamy shower might feel great in the moment, it's not the best choice for starting your day. Hot showers strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry, irritated, and more prone to itchiness throughout the day. This is especially true if you already have sensitive skin or deal with conditions like eczema. Not only does a hot shower affect your skin, but it also has an impact on your energy levels. When you step out of a hot, steamy bathroom into cooler air, the sudden temperature drop can make you feel sluggish, and even more inclined to crawl back under the covers instead of getting your day started. A better option? Opt for a lukewarm or cool shower. While it may not feel as luxurious, cooler showers help wake you up and energize your body for the day ahead. Cooler water can also improve circulation, giving your skin a natural glow and making you feel more alert. If you're really brave, try ending your shower with a burst of cold water. It'll give you an extra shot of energy to tackle the day. Number 10. Leaving your bed unmade. It might seem like a small thing, but leaving your bed unmade can actually have a surprising impact on your mindset. When you leave your bed in disarray, it contributes to a feeling of chaos and disorganization, which can set the tone for the rest of your day. It's like starting your day with unfinished business, and that feeling of disorder can carry over into other parts of your routine. On the flip side, making your bed is a quick and simple way to start your day with a sense of accomplishment. It gives you a small win right at the beginning of the day. Plus, when your surroundings are tidy, it's easier to maintain a clear and focused mindset. In fact, studies have shown that people who make their beds in the morning tend to be more productive and feel more in control of their day. It's a habit that takes less than 2 minutes, but sets a positive tone for the hours to come. So, next time you're tempted to leave your bed unmade, take those extra few minutes to tidy it up. You'll thank yourself later. By now, it's clear that your morning habits can make or break your day. The small actions you take, or don't take, in the morning ripple out into how you feel and perform throughout the day. From resisting the snooze button and skipping that sugary breakfast to making your bed and getting some sunlight, these small changes can add up to big improvements in your daily routine. Avoiding these 10 common morning habits is a simple yet effective way to start your day on the right foot. It's all about creating a morning routine that fuels your body, sharpens your mind, and keeps you feeling calm and focused. Remember, a productive and positive day starts with a mindful morning. So, as you go about your day tomorrow, take a moment to assess your habits and see where you can make small but impactful adjustments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.